attention, we're gonna see ourselves a, you could call it a Yeti, an abominable snowman, an ice monster, even maybe an ice troll. Beautiful, he looks brand new. Are you all ready? Are you ready, kids? I can't hear you. Oh! Woo! This ice mountain is no joke. Woo! Hey, that airtime will get you there. Sneak up on you too. And they take you back. Take me to the top! All the way again like Molly Crew they do. Beautiful. Look at this. There's nothing like this, you guys out here. You gotta appreciate it. And they give you one last surprise. We got the little head chopper right here and airtime right at the end. Ah! Some unused track, maybe where they store the cars back here, but you can see little more minutes of the log ride too. I love this coaster.